What's up, guys? Now in this video we will have a lot to do with the kittens, and we will be talking to them and seeing them a bunch. Now this intro is after the video, so I've got the kitten right by me, so you'll see me, looking for them. But yeah, he's right here now. So I hope you enjoy this video, and, well, say hi to Rocky. And, well, hope you enjoy. So, hey guys. Now, as you already saw from my little intro there, so let's just get this video started. Where are they? So a little bit more about this channel. If you've seen our first video, I recommend you go watch that first before you watch this video, so you know exactly what's happening, But if you don't want to, you don't have to. But I recommend you do. So where are they? Where are they? Are they right here? Sorry if you couldn't see me right there. Looking at the mirror, I see the camera on the mirror. Alright, so now are they in here? Where are you? Where are they? That's some kittens. Where the heck are they? I know where my big cats are. Do not know where these are. Kittens! Are they in my brother's room? They're in my brother's room. Or in the car. Kittens! Oh. Then I guess we'll be filming our big cat. Where are the kittens? There you are. Hey, Rocky. Hey, Rocky. Are you saying hi to KK? No? No. Oh, you looking at the camera? Oh, you looking at the camera? Hi. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, I'm Rocky. Oh, that's a good boy. That's a good boy. Jazzy. Come here, Jazzy. Say hi. Say hi. Hey. 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 Alright, so Rocky. Oh, you're up, baby. Oh, Rocky. Oh. What are you looking at? Look at the camera. Yeah, you look at the camera. Oh, you sniffing the camera. Where are you going? Where'd KK go? KK. Hi, little guy. Hi, little guy. KK. Hi, Rocky. Hi. So, hi, little guy. Hi. Where'd you go, Rocky? You getting on the couch? Are you gonna go say hi to Daddy? Gonna go say hi to Dad? Oh, Rocky. You're the door. I want you to. Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye.